Yes, 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 I'm grilling lobster on the stovetop, courtesy of that portable cast iron grill. Stay tuned to get a tasty result of this grilled lobster stuffed with mozzarella cheese and garlic butter. Let's get to it by seasoning our water with onion, garlic, half teaspoon of salt and a pepper. Bring your water to boil, then add your lobster and cook for 6 minutes. At the 6-minute mark, remove your lobster and add to the cold water to start the cooking process. Next up, we're going to melt 2 sticks of butter in the microwave for 1 minute or melt on the stovetop. The preference is yours. Then grate 3 pegs of garlic to the melted butter. At this stage, we're going to prep the lobster for the grill by splitting it in half, tail first, then the head. Plus, don't forget to remove the lobster nerve cord. It is something I'm accustomed to do, so I recommend you do the same. Grill time. Yes, 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 yes. Heat, then grease your grill with butter, then add your lobster, open side down for 4 minutes. At the 4 minutes mark, turn your lobster and add all the goodies. The melted garlic butter and stuff your mozzarella cheese and allow to melt. Now, this meal would make any seafood lover day. Just the thought of it, and I know you would like to have some. This is a simple recipe, so I know you can handle it on your own. Let me know if you're going to try it in the comment section. Remember to check out one of our recommended videos to your left, and if you get value from this video, give us a like and subscribe for future uploads.
BossLady, make money, BossLady, my favorite BossLady.